Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm talking really fast because there's a pattern I showed in our Discord channel yesterday too, and yeah, this is an update you need to see as soon as possible, so it's time sensitive. This is the trade we're looking at right now. This is a continuation pattern, an horizontal triangle, which came in the way up, which is a bullish bias pattern. So it has a 70% more likelihood to go up rather than go down. But like always, we can never predict the way the market goes. We can only react to what the charts give us. But well, this is a very interesting. This is a very interesting pattern, which, like I said, has a bullish bias, and would be a very nice trade of 6.25% with a 10x leverage. That is like a 60% move. So this is very interesting. And to the bottom side, the percentages are the same, of course. But then it would go till 42 and retest this triangle right here that we broke out already, which is on the daily pattern. So yeah, I'm not really expecting it to go that way, but expecting is nothing we can do in crypto. We just need to react. I'm still in the trade I started in Friday. It's a $4,000 trade, which is currently underwater a little bit, but I'm not very concerned about that. What we also can see is that this pattern, this trend line right here, you can also pull it down from here, and then you can see that we have touch points, several touch points right here, right here, right here, a few, right here, a few. So this is also a possibility where you can draw that line. So it's a very significant level we need to hold. If we break it, then I'll lose my trade, of course, but that's not a big problem. We've done 19 very successful trades consecutively, and this is a great possibility to trade and to make money, of course. So that's what we're looking at right now. This is a very beautiful possibility to take with a 6% move with a 10x leverage, or a 5x leverage for that instance, is a 30% move. Yeah, I'm in a 10x leverage trade, 60% of 4,000. Yeah, you can do the math, I guess. So looking at Ethereum as well, nothing really much. I've set up a limit order on the 33.81, right, which is right here, and it's a very nice entry level. Oh, I just moved that one, but it's 33.81ish. Somewhere like here. That's where I believe that that there will be a bounce, if any, because this level of 34.89 is also very significant. And combine this with the chart for Bitcoin on the 4-hour. If this breaks up, like everything, Bitcoin is king, so Ethereum will go up as well. There's one thing I wanted to show you, or there's two things I wanted to show you again. This is ADA or Cardano, which is still trying to break this green box. If this green box breaks, then it has a 143% move to the upside to reach a new all-time high, which is a very interesting trade. Yeah, if you do this with the 10x leverage, then you have a 1,000% trade, which is off the charts, of course, if you can catch that one. I'm currently having a spot position on ADA, and I will add to my position once we break the green box and retest it as support. So probably go something like this: break it, retest it as support, and then we can go up in this way. So that's what I'm looking for basically. Um, the last thing I wanted to show is something I prepared already this morning, and this is the Bitcoin CME Gap, which is the CME closes on Friday and every last day of the month, which was the 1st of April at 8 o'clock at night. Oh, Siri is listening with us, I guess, but yeah. So on Friday at 8 o'clock, then the CME chart closed. It closed at 46,360. After that, in the weekend, we went up a little bit and then went down, and you can see that we've opened the chart. We've opened the chart again, and you can see that we haven't filled this in yet, which also makes me bullish for the 1 hour pattern. You can see right now the price of Bitcoin is getting crawled back up into the pattern, which is something very interesting to see. So this is the CME gap, which closed and which didn't close yet. Normally we see a close of the CME gap sooner rather than later. I'm calling it also later because this is where we closed the CME at the 25th of March, and then we had a huge price rise in the weekend. But you can see that it took this is the 1 hour chart. Let me put it in the 4 hour chart. That's is probably a little better. So this was the 25th of March. We closed, it opened at the 28th of March. And then we had a sideways couple of days. But then you can see the price went down, it filled the CME gap, and after it filled the CME gap, it went up again. And there are several points where you can see that the CME closed here on the 18th of March. It closed, the price went down in the weekend, and after a few days, the CME gap filled. So that one got filled as well in a couple of days. I have one more here. Oh, one more further as well. Here the price closed at 38,830. In the weekend it went down, and later the CME gap closed. That's also something. So I don't know if it's some people call it like a self-fulfilling prophecy with Bitcoin traders, that we tend to fill the CME gap. But you can see in these examples that it always in 9 out of 10 times the CME gaps will get closed. So like you can see here again, well, the price closed on a Friday, the 28th of February, and we had a significant pull down. You can see the wick, and then we closed it again. So the gap will be closed almost every time. So that's enough for this video for now, because the main thing we're looking at right now is this trade, and that's the trade I'm in right now already. If you're not in a trade yet, this is a definite solid pattern you can trade right now. I do trading with leverage, but you can also use this as a spot trading opportunity, of course. So if, for instance, you buy Bitcoin with 10K or 1K or $100 for that sake, I don't mind, of course. You ride it to the upside till the 6%, then you close the trade, then you have a $106. You take it off, or you transfer it into USDT, and now you have $106 instead of $100. So it's a cool thing you can use. And that's why I hope you enjoy these updates, and that we can make money together, of course. So that's basically it. Watch it as soon as possible. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider it, so you can subscribe and hit the bell notification. And we'll talk to you soon. I'll keep you updated on a Discord if the trade breaks. Thank you. Bye.